Hello students. I am pleased to have the chance to introduce this project on behalf of Mr. Singleton, because it is a very important part of your Autodesk Revit training. You may have heard Mr. Singleton complain about the disconnect between the folks at Autodesk, who programmed some of the features of Revit, and the real world of residential architecture. It is rumored Mr. Singleton has been overheard referring to them as idiots. Let us just say that he feels they could have done a better job aligning the CAD process with the build process. One of the features he dislikes the most is the residential default template. That is why he designed this unit of instruction very carefully. In this series of tutorials he will guide you step by step through the process of creating your own personal residential template. During this process you will also build a simple model that contains all of the standard components needed for basic residential design, and you will clean up and modify the component families to include a resource that is up to date with current residential architectural trends. For example, you should not put flush doors in your models because panel-type doors are now standard, and have been for years. Another example of what Mr. Singleton refers to as component stupidity is the default material colors for the trim around doors and windows. You will discover what he means when he guides you through several changes there. In the process of building the model in this new template, you will also create a custom drawing sheet with the name and logo of your design firm. I know, you do not really have a design company, but you can imagine it now, and be all ready for it when you do. You see, this template is something you can save, and even if you do not study architecture in college, you will want to use it when you're ready to design your first custom home. That will save you anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000. Who said there is no real value to a high school education? So get to work on these lessons, and despite the tedium of some of the processes, think about the value of what you are about to learn. Oh, just a side note here. Do not tell him I told you, but Mr. Singleton thinks all of you are the best students he has ever had, and teaching you is a lot of fun. Now, get to work.